Ladies and gentlemen, receive greetings from Nairobi, Kenya. Today we are looking at the thoughts of this man, Kwame Nkrumah, the first president of independent Ghana, the man who preached Pan-Africanism. This is what Kwame Nkrumah had to say. The result of neocolonialism is that foreign capital is used for the exploitation rather than for the development of the less developed parts of the world. Investment under neocolonialism increases rather than decreases the gap between the rich and the poor. That is Kwame Nkrumah, the man who made a fundamental analysis of imperial interests in Africa in the early 60s and paid the ultimate price. Ladies and gentlemen, Kwame Nkrumah for you. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to this platform. I'm Morris Odhiambo here in Nairobi, Kenya. On this platform, we look at the thoughts, the ideas, the writings of key scholars, politicians, social rights activists here in Africa. This is what Kwame Nkrumah had to say. I believe strongly and sincerely that with the deep-rooted wisdom and dignity, the innate respect for human lives, the intense humanity that is our heritage, the African race, united under one federal government, will emerge not as just another world bloc to flaunt its wealth and strength, but as a great power whose greatness is indestructible. That is Kwame Nkrumah, the man who preached and lived and believed and was committed to Pan-Africanism, the unity of the African continent. Kwame Nkrumah,